Okay, we would like to introduce how to make the professional resume to compare the traditional resumes more beautiful. Please subscribe to me. I will be to do a lot of the creative resume for your reference. Right now, we start the page, going to the design column and select it to the slide size and customer slide size. Select to A4 size and portrait. And starting, we are insert the photo. We are find the photo and then we are cut to the oval. That's why we selecting to the top and straight to top to selecting to oval and then cut to the oval and then adjustment the size. Okay, we are going to the rectangle, make the outline and go into the shape field to change the color. Okay, send to the front on the picture, adjustment. And then we are also to selecting the rectangle and change color to change to the gray color and also to selecting to the text box typing to the link Peter Chen. We adjust the size of the word and also to change the color of the word too. We are put the word the right position. We are go to the text box and then type the title of the job sales managers. Okay, we are go to the home column to selecting the text box to type the personal information. After that, we are change the color of the word to be white color. Okay, and then we are also to go to the text box and then we are type the education. After that, we are also to change the color of the word to be white too. And then we are also to go into the text box and then to write the working experience. After that, we also to change the color of the word to be white. Okay, finish. We are doing again to go into the text box and then to write the skill. After tag the skill, we'll change the color of the skill to be white color. Okay, we have placed the skill to the subtitle column. After finish that, we have already prepared the content of the subtitle. We are just copy the content. We are just copy our information and then copy again the our information. Okay, we have just finished the professional resume. We would like to summary how to do the professional resume. We teach you how to make the rectangle, how to change the color of the rectangle, also how to edit the word, how to edit the photo and cut the photo, and then finish the professional resume.